Get ready for some cool science facts, and without the intro, let's get started. Number 1. Our brain uses 20% of the total energy produced in our body, but it is only 2% of the body's total weight. Number 2. The oceans are home to over 80% of all the life on our planet. Makes sense considering life evolved from the oceans. From the teeny tiny creatures to the gigantic ones, it's a wild underwater party. Alright, number 3 is my favorite one, and it feels like it's too large to comprehend. The universe is about 13.8 billion years old, and let's not make it 14 because 200 million years is a long time. Also, it's about 96 billion light years across. So if you do the maths correctly, that is speed of light, which is 3 into 10 to the power 8 meter per second, multiplied by 31,557,600, which is the number of seconds in a year, multiplied by 96 billion, we get a number which is around 95 billion trillion kilometers, which is basically 95 into 10 to the power 23 or 23 zeros after 95. Talk about large distances. Damn. Fact number 4. Flash might be the fastest in MCU, but in Animal Kingdom, it's the cheetah. It can go from 0 to a whooping 70 miles or 113 kilometers per hour in just a few seconds. Moving on to number 5. So, what do you think? Where was the concept of atom born? The answer can be found in ancient India and Greece, where philosophers argued that if we continue to break an object, which is making it infinitely smaller, we will reach a point where it can't be further broken down. But now we know about the subatomic particles and all. Number 6. You may have heard about the Great Barrier Reef. It's a mind-blowing underwater wonderland made up of billions of teeny tiny coral creatures. But what you may not have heard of is that they create the biggest living structure on Earth. It's like a city under the sea. Number 7. What do you think the sun does to generate all the heat and light? Like, our bulbs can do it too, but what technology does the sun have to do it? And on an astronomical scale. The sun fuses hydrogen and helium atoms together to create heat and light by nuclear fission. Well, now you know more about your biggest source of vitamin D. Number 8. If you stretched out all the DNA in your body, you would die, of course. But aside from that, it would be able to travel from Earth to Sun and make it 3 times the distance. Number 9. You may have heard Eminem's Mockingbird, but now get ready for Hummingbird. Well, it's not a song by him, but it's the only bird that can fly backwards and hover in midair. With its wing flapping up to 80 times per second, it's like a helicopter in the sky. Number 10. Well, now it's not a fact, but rather an idea, and it has been given the name of butterfly effect. It states that the smallest action have the power to control actions on a much larger scale. The basic example is the disruption of air pressure by the wings of a butterfly can cause a cyclone somewhere. Seems crazy? Well, that's what science is. Well, and there you have it. 10 cool science facts under 5 minutes. From the brain's energy cravings to the wonders of the universe. Science is full of incredible discoveries. Well, now I am Sensei and thanks for watching. Now with our outro, have a beautiful day or night ahead. Bye.